May restaurant na lumalaban sa top 1 best restaurant ko of the year. Minsan talaga pag umu-order ka sa isang restaurant, may isa or dalawa na sablay. Nakikita nyo naman yan sa videos ko, pero happy to report, grabe. Wala kaming hindi nagustuhan, and may I say, the perfect lunch or dinner. As in literally, napa-thank you seafood talaga kami. Kasi we are here at Thank You Seafood here in Rockwell. I've been hearing a lot of positive reviews, mapa Google man or content creator. And ngayon gets na kasi every single dish that we had, for me and for my family, grabe, superb. Let's start with our favorite, the Jumbo Lump Crab Fried Rice. Grabe, unang bite pa lang, you can taste the crabs. May crab chunks or lumps pa siya. We were impressed kasi smoky din siya, so may wok flavor siya. Balance yet umami at the same time. Sobrang sulit itong Thank You Seafood Party Boat kasi it already includes calamari, shrimp, and may cod pa siya. Ang galing lang kasi ang dominant flavors pa din are the seafood, and the breading just added crisp for texture and a tad seasoning. Hard to pick a favorite among the three, pero for me, sulit na sulit ka din sa cod. We love both the pastas that we ordered. We love the vibrance of the lemon garlic shrimp spaghetti, tanginess and brightness from the lemon, savory garlic taste from the garlic. Ongole pasta was also a hit. The clam surprisingly tasted fresh, and both pastas were cooked to al dente, which I prefer. Perfectly cooked swahe from the sinigang butter sauce. Buttery yet you get the sourness from the sinigang. And yung sweet juices coming from the swahe. Ang ganda ng combination. And shoutout din sa hot sauce nila na homemade. Ang sarap. Pwede lang kami bumili nito. Bibili kami. Overall, halata naman we were really blown away by their dishes. And definitely Thank You Seafood might be a contender for my top 1 restaurant for this year. Enjoy!